Well, so 3 deaths in 48 hours and the Vyapam scam gets only murkier by the day. It's India's biggest recruitment scam and Times Now has been following the developments very closely. As the chorus for a CBI probe now grows louder, why is it that the Shivraj Singh Chauhan government in Madhya Pradesh is resisting an independent probe?
A young trainee sub-inspector, recruited through the Madhya Pradesh Professional Examination Board in 2014. Found dead at a police academy in Sagar, Madhya Pradesh. A journalist probing the multi-crore job and exam scam suddenly dies due to a heart ailment moments after interviewing the parents of a slain accused in Jhabua.
रात को 12 बजे तक मेरे साथ था, क्वाइट हेल्दी था, कोई ड्रंकर नहीं, कोई स्मोकर नहीं, एकदम फिट। ऐसा बंदा जाके एकदम से मरता है, फ्रोथ निकलता है, हाथ पैर उसके अकड़ते तो पॉइजनिंग का साइन लगता है।
A medical college dean, allegedly having links with some accused, found dead in a hotel room in the national capital.
The police have said that it appears that there is no foul play in his death. But Dr. Sharma had in fact met the officers of SIT and handed over 200 pages of documents.
3 mysterious deaths in 48 hours. Over 45 deaths in the last few years. And yet, both the Chief Minister and the central government not ready to recommend a CBI probe.
हर ऐसी दुखद घटना को व्यापम से जोड़ना न्याय संगत भी नहीं।
हाई कोर्ट और सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने सीबीआई के द्वारा जांच कराने से पूरी तरह से मना कर दिया था।
Equally unfazed are the BJP leaders, who now seem to have mastered the art of flip-flops.
आपने पत्रकार छोड़ दिया यार, हमसे बड़ा पत्रकार है क्या
सर? मंत्रिमंडल का
तो मुझसे पूछा गया कि आपने इस्तीफा दिया गया, तो ब्रजेश राजपूत एक वरिष्ठ पत्रकार हैं, उन्होंने पूछा था तो पीछे से किसी ने बुला रही है, इतने बड़े पत्रकार है, जवाब नहीं दे रहे हो आप। तो मैंने उनसे मजाक में कहा कि तुम मेरे से बड़े पत्रकार हो गया।
And as we dug deeper, spoke to the families of those who lost their loved ones in the last 2 years, the need for a CBI probe only became more and more obvious.
मैं तो मतलब अब कुछ सहयोग ही नहीं मिल रहा ना मुझे। पुलिस जब पुलिस ही नहीं सहयोग कर रही तो विश्वास खत्म हो जाएगा। क्या कर 3 साल तक कब तक अपन है ना घूमते रहेंगे।
He has approached the judiciary, he's approached the executive, he's approached every possible door and that has been closed on him. And now he thinks that he's completely losing hope and thinks that probably there will be no closure for his young teenage daughter's death.
Like Namrata Damor, another young student, Amit Sagar, died under mysterious circumstances in Shirpur in February 2015. His family too pleading with the government for an independent probe.
जो व्यक्ति दुनिया में नहीं है उसकी वोट में अपना बचाव करना चाह रहे हैं, तो मैं कह रहा हूँ बिल्कुल निष्पक्ष जांच की जाए, बिल्कुल जो उसमें दागी हों या जिनके नाम उनको बिल्कुल उनको अरेस्ट किया जाए, उनका कानूनी कार्रवाई की जाए।
It's a story of manipulation, of how lakhs of students were duped and how imposters gave government exams for money.
2 officers had reported that they have not received thefts, but they have gathered knowledge from some sources that there is likelihood of some people say doing some sort of harm to them.
It's a story about how bureaucrats and politicians connived with the corrupt to kill merit. And with over 45 deaths so far, isn't a CBI probe the only answer now? Bureau Report, Times Now.